Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can download Google Form responses. So to get started, first, head over to Google Forms and make sure you're signed in with your account. Once you're in, select the form you want to download responses from. For this example, I'll pick one of my forms, although right now, it doesn't have any responses yet. To show you the full process, I'll quickly fill out a response myself. Alright, now that we have at least one response, let's move on to downloading it. Look towards the top right corner, you'll see 3 vertical dots, that's the options menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down, select Download Responses. Google Forms will download all your form responses as a CSV file, which will be inside a zip folder. Once it's downloaded, simply extract the zip file, and you'll have the CSV file with all the responses neatly organized. And that's it, super easy and quick. You can now open the CSV file using Excel, Google Sheets, or any spreadsheet software to view or manage your data. And that's it, you are done.